Alright, so for the request that showing the magnet fridge, so here you go. So let me introduce you the magnet that I bought from Europe and Japan. So his is from Holland. You can spin this. And he is from Japan. And this is from Brussels, Belgium. And he is from Japan. And he is the iconic Olympic from Japan. You know this from Japan, and Kyoto from Japan, and the Mount Fuji is the the temple. Here you can ring it. Kitty, kitty. Alright, so let me show you the whole set. Alright, let me on the light to see this kind of, not really, because I'm videoing in the daylight, so sorry, daytime, so that's why the brightness and stuff is kind of like boring, you know. Alright, see you guys on the next episode. Bye.